Good morning, everybody. Let's see what's going on. So, yesterday was just very choppy, up and down, and then end of the day, last 30 minutes, boom, suddenly fell down. And futures went green. So, this market just resisting to go down, resisting to go up. It's becoming a choppy consolidation mode until proven otherwise. And earnings season is getting close, so we have 3 weeks. Is a short week this week. I was expecting a bigger dump than run up, but maybe that little small fall yesterday, that was all we got. So watch 4 hour MACDs today and tomorrow. If you see any name, right now a lot of names 1 hour MACDs golden crossing. If you see any name 4 hour MACD golden cross confirms, that's a sign that market that name or the market wants to go up. So yeah. So pre-market, 5 is up, 15:30, 1 hour is upward. That's the most important one. 1 hour got a golden cross last night at 12, and the 4 hour we got a yellow bar, TTM squeeze. We got yellow bars, and if the 4 hour MACD golden cross confirms today or tomorrow, and then we are good to go for maybe a very big lotto call on Friday, and this is just keeps ripping higher. NQ, same thing like ES. 4 hour we got TTM squeeze, we got yellow bar. If the 4 hour MACD golden cross confirms, we are good to go for run up on for Friday. And Dow Jones, let me see that one. Yeah, this one is near golden cross on the 4 hour. RUT, do getting close there too. DXY, if this one fails, it can help trigger more um, text run up. In general, it's very bullish on daily and weekly. Needed to fall. Right now is holding up around 104 to 369. So we'll see about that one. If DXY falls, can help text run up higher. Um, do this Tesla, it just keeps going higher pre-market. Um, TNX TNX pre-market 4 hours dead cross, which is good. So if it goes to 41.68 and 40.42, those are the next target if it goes lower. And I like that the daily MACD is dead cross. So TNX goes lower, small caps and market can rip up higher. Wix Wix daily is very bearish downward. Weekly is still, we don't have a dead cross yet. This one is just hovering around 1307, goes low and come back to it, and goes high and come back to it. So it's like a magnet level, this 1307. Um, to BTC back above 70,000. Um, 4 hours kind of flat. It was near having a dead cross yesterday. We got a dark blue bar, but it's holding up, and right now it's going higher. So if this one goes up, can this one can trigger helping market going higher too. ETH, nothing exciting. Apple. So let's go to equities. Apple, just bad news keeps coming up on this name. 4 hours near golden cross, all about 171.47. If we pass that one, the next week we can run back up to 173.54 for next major level. If 171.47 passed today, 173.54 is possible to come by tomorrow. Um, and if that one passed, next major is 176, 175.82. Amazon, it's all about 180. It keeps going to 180, pulls back. Goes to 180, it pulls back. 1 hour is near golden cross. 4 hours not yet any sign of golden cross, but it's all about 180.02. Past that one, 182.06, 185 and higher level. Nvidia, it was dumping into the close yesterday, but right now we got a 1 hour, we got yellow bar. 15 is up, 30 is up, 5 is up, so it's all about 936, 931, 936. If those pass, then we're looking at 940, 947, 954, 29. If 927 can hold it, supports are 917, 911, and lower levels. AVGO to do AVGO 15:30, 1 hours upward volume. That not that much volume pre-market, so 1345. Watch that one. If that one passes, it can run back up to 1352, 1359. If 1341 can hold it, next supports are 1320, 1304. Coin follows cryptos, BTC. So 375, 377 if it jumps at open. Above that, 381, sorry, 281, 287, 293. Netflix keeps going to 630 and then pulls back. It's been few times. Right now, 1 hour, 4 hours downward. 15 and 30 is down too. So not so much bullish side on it. A little bit bearish. 628 if you can hold it. 625, 621, 619. Meta was very very weak yesterday into the close, super weak. But Zuckerberg has posted a picture with Jensen last night, and maybe they buy more AI chips. So 15 and 30 is upward. 1 hour is getting a golden cross. It's still bearish on the 4 hours, so gotta be cautious. But it's possible to have some temporary jump up at open. If it jumps up, we're looking at 501, 503.98. Above that, can go all the way to 507, 511, 514. Need to get a 4 hour yellow bar. If that confirms, then it's good to go for a run up on Friday and Monday. Sorry, Thursday and Monday. Friday market is closed. Tesla keeps going higher pre-market. It was interesting. Yesterday, 5 minutes MACD dead cross, then 15 followed, and it was just non-stop fall into the close. And right now, gap up open. That's really interesting. That's the power of when the 4 hour TTM squeeze is bullish. When you see 4 hour TTM squeeze is bullish, even though it fall down, look how it's beautifully is gapping down almost like 4 points so far. That's crazy. So 182, 183.35 next major level. Yesterday high was 184.25. If past that one can get crazier. So keep an eye on that one. 184.70. If 183.35 passes strong, we're looking at 140, 184.71, 186.91, 189, 189.11. With the daily MACD golden cross earning, when is the earning? Earning is around 422. So we got 3 4 weeks to go for Tesla. Not impossible to get close to 200. Then we'll see. My target, if I have to say it, 207.75 as usual. That's a major level. Didn't reach it last time. Maybe reach it this time. We'll see. So pre-market 5, 15, 31 hours upward. It's all about opening actions. If it opens and jumps 182, 183.35, those are the next key. Most likely will come. Above that, if it goes, boom, it can go higher. But keep an eye on Tesla. Last few days, last few weeks, every time it goes up, makes a new high, like makes a high of the day. Once the 5 minutes and 15 minutes MACD dead cross, it goes for a slow motion drop, and then we'll see if it goes up again. So anyhow, enough of Tesla. Microsoft. To Microsoft pre-market 5, 15, 31 hours upward. 4 hour we got yellow bar, so it's all about 424.7. If that one passes, we're looking at 427.55 next major. If 421 can hold it, 420 and lower level are the supports. Google to 150 point 150 155 is just hovering around it. It goes close to it, goes a little bit above, then come back to it, and same when it goes below it. So two key levels to watch is 152.76 and 150.09. Breaks either one can make a bigger move. Above 152, we're looking at 154, 156 all-time highs. And if it goes below 150, supports are those. But until then, it's establishing a flag, a bull flag, and consolidating until the next breakout. AMD is just crazy, crazy. I can talk about this for hours. This is just insane. AMD. So what's going on? It goes, it opens, it does a little bit consolidation, jumps up, then it goes down, then it goes up crazy, and then end of the day goes very down and gap down next day on the news, and then next day goes up. This is just crazy. AMD is insane moves and insane money in it every day right now so far. In general, weekly is downward, daily is still bearish and downward, and the 4 hour getting bullish upward. 1 hour MACD is golden cross. Those are the general trend. And pre-market right now we got 5, 15, 30 is upward. So if it opens, watch 180.23. Past that one, we're looking at 181.77, 183.31. But again, this one is just insanely volatile these days. 183.31 past. Next major level is 184, 186, 188. So it can open, fall, maybe it goes up, maybe it goes down. Just gotta keep up with the 5 minutes. So right now 5 minutes is up. If the 5 minutes and 15 minutes MACD dead cross, it can come back to 176.45, and if it can hold 176, 173.62. Keep an eye on the major levels. 173, 176, 179, 183. These are the major levels you want to keep in mind, and the 188 above. It goes from level to level. It can jump up midday. I mean, yesterday did a nice jump up, but then gave up all the gains. So it's just very, very interesting name if you can play it. Anyhow, enough of AMD. Boeing 1530 is upward. 1 hour is curved up. 4 hours still bearish. Need to pass 190.7 to get interesting. If 187 can hold it, 184.83, 183.02 is the next support there. SPY opening 3 points higher. 522. So let me just check this one. Yeah, 522, 522.39. That's a key level to watch. If it can pass that one, we can go back to 524.43. Pre-market looking bullish, so we'll see what's gonna happen. 4 hour need to have golden cross for having a monster green day Thursday. Um, QQQ, same thing like NQ, 1531 hours upward. 4 hour, it's kind of flat. Need to get a golden cross to confirm to have again crazy Thursday. 446.69 is a key level to watch. Above that, we're looking at 449, 451.3. If 445.27 can hold it, 443, 65, 442, 441 are support levels. What else you got here? Let's see. Adobe opening up 6 points. 512. So this one, watch 516 is the next key level. 516.96 pass. We're looking at 520, 523. 4 hours still bullish, but we'll see. Nice gap up, but we'll see if it's gonna continue or not. ARM was very interesting yesterday. It was just in slow motion starting fall, and then I started accelerating around 12 or 1 p.m. and then it was a bearish close. But right now it's gapping up 1 2 points. So watch 128.58, 130, 131. Breaks either way can make a bigger move. Above 131, 134 can come. Below 128 can go 126 and 124 and lower levels. In general, it's very bearish on the 4 hour and daily, but we'll see. This name just gives to both bears and bulls. What else? Disney breaking 120, nice. So 120.89, 122.08, those are the next major level. What else you got here? MSTR new all-time high. Well done. So this one, 1975 and 2059 is the next major level. If it goes crazier, 2191, 2404, 2618. I think if Bitcoin goes to new all-time high, this one 2600 can come. Um, that's pretty much it. SMCI 20 points higher. This one was very weak yesterday too. Next target is 1063. If you can break that one, 1083, 1115. What else? DJT, you have to follow DVOC or the DVOC levels for that one. GME, big gap down. It was funny. They didn't do earning calls. That was very, very funny. UPS was a big fall yesterday, so that was very interesting to keep in mind. MRK, they released a drug. They got approved from FDA, so 132.66. Watch that one. If it passes, next long major is 142.44. MRVL is getting a lot of attention these days, so keep an eye on that one. If it continues going up, 74.19. LRCX, somebody asked. Um, Well, if you got into a put into the close, I mean, you did the right thing because everything would look seems bearish. But at best is just lock the loss at open. It is what it is. That's how market is. Sometimes you think something and then it doesn't happen. You gotta get out sooner than later. LRCX pre-market doesn't have volume, so you can't tell exactly. I can just show you the volume, um, the levels. 950, 962, 972, 982. If 982 breaks, 996, 1013. So yeah, if you have puts, it happens, like a lot of times happens. That's why you have to manage size. Any option, any play always can go your opposite direction. So you have to all, especially on swing. Swing is the most riskiest. During the day when you trade, you have. I'm sorry. I'm gonna talk about this for 1 2 minutes, if you guys don't mind, and then the live is over. During the day you have control to cut loss for 10%, 20%. Cut loss at any point you want. You can cut it, or lock gains. But for swing, you're playing a lotto, a lottery. Next day you can make 50%, or you can make 200-300%, or reverse, you can lose 50%, you can lose 90%. So that's the risk of swinging. So you should know that, and you should position your size based on that. Whatever you play on the day trade, the position size should be much different than what you play on the day trade. So on swing and day trade should be much different. And right now, I'm sorry for that happening. Hopefully it's not a big loss, but always lock losses sooner than later. And then if it goes in your favor again, you can buy it again. If it going higher, you can grab calls and make up the losses. But if you're getting emotional, take a break. You don't want to push into a trade if you're getting emotional, because once you're emotional, you make a bigger loss. I mean, I have videos on options, do's and don'ts. You can watch on my YouTube channel. I have a playlist. Anyway, thank you so much, and have a good day, everybody.